Hi all, welcome back. Now let's talk about replace and reverse string function. So by using replace, you could replace a string within another string, and you could use reverse if you want to reverse the character of a string. So let's see these two in SQL Server. So you could see we have a replace function. Instead of PM, we are going to use ABC. So let's execute the statement. And you could see now we are replacing all the PM with ABC. Similarly, if you execute the statement, all the VID we are going to replace with capital VID. So we have a videos as a type, and we are going to replace VID as VID in capital. Now you could see we are replacing first three character with another capital letter, and instead of VID you could give anything. So if you execute this statement, instead of VID it will replace with A. So this is how the replace function is working. Now let's see how the reverse function is working. So if you execute this statement, all the character will be displayed in reverse order. So you will get a new string in reverse order of the existing string. Similarly, you could apply reverse string with any columns and you will get the same result. That means the reverse order of the character. So this is how the replace and reverse strings are working, and most of the time you will use replace function. Very rarely we use reverse function, but most of the time we need to use replace function. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.